Welcome back to our math channel, Math Bridges Fun with Math. In this video, we are going to learn how to arrange the three-digit numbers in ascending and descending order. First, let us see what does the word ascending and descending mean. Ascending means going up. Climbing steps, we'll say ascend the steps means climb the steps. Ascending means we have to remember it to be as going up. Descending means coming down. We will be saying descend the steps means get down the steps. Means coming from the biggest number to the smallest number 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like that. So descending means coming down. Now I'll give you a mnemonic so that you will remember the ascending order and descending order in a very easy way. You can see an ant over here which is very small in size, and ascending order, the word starts with the letter small a. If you are considering A for ant, immediately you should get the picture of ant which is small in size. So arranging the numbers from small to big is known as ascending order. Smallest number to biggest number, A for ant and A for ascending order. Now coming to the descending order, you remembered big dinosaur. This is a dinosaur which is very big in size. So when D for descending order, so immediately you should get the picture of dinosaur in your mind which is big in size. So arranging the numbers from biggest to the smallest is known as descending order. This will help you to recall when you are writing the numbers. This will definitely help you to arrange the numbers in the given order. There are 5 friends in a jungle: an elephant, a bear, a monkey, a parrot, and a frog. All these 5 friends, they wanted to stand according to their heights from small to big. So let's see how they'll be standing. You can see here, first frog, it stood in the line. Next parrot. Next came monkey. Next it is bear. And in the last, elephant. So if you observe, these animals, they are standing in their heights from small to big, in the order of smallest to the biggest one. So we can say whenever you get the small word, remember the picture of ant. So they are standing in which order? All these animals are standing in the ascending order from the smallest to the biggest one. On the next day, these animals are standing in a different way. You can observe first an elephant, next is bear, next monkey, next parrot, and last it is frog. If you are observing, these animals are standing from the biggest to the smallest. So big means you have to recall the picture of the bigger one, which is dinosaur. So D for dinosaur. So these animals are standing in their descending order or decreasing order also we can say. Ascending order or increasing order also we can say. Small to big means arranging the numbers or the given quantities from small to big. You can recall the picture of ant, small, A for ascending. Descending order is also known as decreasing order. Arranging the numbers or the given quantities from big to small. Recall the picture of dinosaur, D for descending, which is big. So big to small. Now let's see some examples using numbers. How to arrange in ascending and descending order. Now let's check with some numbers how to arrange them in the ascending order. 59, 48, 9, 12 and 32. So ascending order means immediately you have to remember ant. So we are arranging the numbers from small to big. If you identify here, 1 is the smallest number. It's a single digit number. So first in the AO ascending order answer here, we will write first 9 and strike off that number. Next identify which is little bigger than 9. It is 12. So write 12 and strike off 12 in the question. Next one is a little higher, bigger number than 12. It is 32. So write 32 over here in the answer and strike off in the question. Same manner, after 32 it comes 48. So write 48 in the answer and strike off 48 in the question. And the leftover number is 59. So write 59 here and check whether you have strike out all the numbers. So we have arranged the given numbers in the ascending order. Now we will take all 3-digit numbers. Let's arrange this given numbers in ascending order. So as usual, ascending means you have to remember and. So arranging from smallest to the biggest number, first identify which is the smallest number. It is 129. So write 129 over here and strike off in the question. Next, after 120, is it 130 or 160, 170, 180? Check like that. So it comes to be as 136. So write it in the answer and strike off. If you strike off, you will not get confused. So that the remaining numbers we can check out with the whatever the leftover numbers are there. So the next number is little bigger than 136. It is 163. Write it in the answer and strike off. Whenever you are striking off, remaining numbers only we have to check it. Next, it is 174, little bigger number. So write 174 in the answer, strike off. So the leftover number is 185. Write it and that number also strike off. And check whether you have completed with all the numbers or not. So we have arranged the given numbers in the ascending order. Smallest to the biggest number. Now, let's arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending means big to small. Remember the animal dino. It's big in size. So we are arranging the numbers from biggest to the smallest. First identify which is the biggest number over here. 136, 163, 174, 129 and 185. So 185 is the biggest number. So DO descending order, write it as answer over here, solution 185 and strike off in the question. Now little smaller, we are coming from big to small. So little smaller than 185 is 174. So write it and strike off in the question to avoid confusion. Next, little smaller than 174, question to yourself. It is 163. So write 163, strike off in the question. And the next is little smaller than that is 136. Write it and strike off in the question. Now the leftover number is 121. So write that number also and strike. That's it. We have arranged the given numbers in the descending order, biggest to the smallest number. Here is one more example for the descending order. The given numbers 306, 324, 372, 316 and 311. These numbers we have to arrange in descending order, means big to small. Dino. So if you observe hundreds place, everywhere 3 is there. So what we have to do? Now you compare with the tens place. So which is the biggest number here? First you can observe 306, 324. Yeah, it is 372. So write the answer. DO in the descending order over here and strike off in the question. Little smaller than 372. All the numbers are starting with 3. So compare tens place. So it is 324. So 24, 6, 16, 11. 24 is little smaller. So write it and cancel in the strike off in the question. Little smaller than 24 means 324. Is it 16, 11 or 6? Compare 16, 11 or 6. It's 16 means 316. Write it in the answer and strike off in the question. We are striking off so that we avoid confusion. So remaining numbers 306 and 311. Little smaller than 316. Is it 11 or 6? Yes, it is 311. Write it and strike off. And the remaining number is 306. You can write it in the answer. So we have arranged the given numbers in the descending order. If you follow this method like this, it will be very easy for you to arrange the given numbers. I have given few practice problems over here for ascending order. You can note down and you can do it. Same practice sums on descending order also has been given. You can try on with this also with the same method. You can check the solution slide for ascending order and also the solution slide for the descending order also. The more you practice, you can master the concept like anything. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math and do share it with your friends. Thank you everyone.